Hello students, welcome back to Navik Educator channel. And here you already studied polynomial by unit number 2, and last two classes you already studied exercise number 2.1. Now we will move on to the exercise number 2.2. Now the first question is, find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So in this case here the x is equal to 0. So putting the 0 in the equation 5x minus 4x square plus 3, right, as it is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0, it is a 0, minus 4 into 0, it is a 0, and plus 3. So the answer is 3. So now next we will move on to the x minus 1, right, as it is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Here putting a x is minus 1. 5 into minus 1, 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. 5 into minus 1, it is the minus 5, and minus 4, and minus 1 into minus 1, it is a plus 1. Suppose minus 1 whole 3, the answer is minus 1. So remember, if it is a odd, always it would be a minus. Suppose in the degree, suppose it is a even word, it become a always plus. So now plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4, it is a minus 9 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 3, it is a minus 6. Minus 6. Why it is minus 6? Because there is a among these two terms the greater number has a minus. So that reason here there is a minus. Next we will move on to the x is equal to 2. So write it by x minus 4x square plus 3. 5 into 2, 4 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 3. 5 2s are 10, minus 4 into 2 2s are 4. 2 square is 4 plus 3. So 10 as it is, 4 into 4 minus 16 plus 3. Plus 10 minus 16, it is a minus 6 plus 3. So the answer is minus 3. So 5x minus 4x square plus 3, the answer is 3, 6 and minus 3. And we will continue in the question number 2. Thank you. So next question here there is called find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomial. So here wherever there is a y, we need to put a 0. So 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So 0 minus 0 plus 1. The answer is plus 1. So whenever there is a 1 here, whenever there is a y, you need to put a 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1, 1 square is a 1 plus 1 here. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Here the answer is 1. So now next P equal to, P 2. So 2 square minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. 2 square is 4 and minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2, it is a plus 2 and plus 1. So the answer is 3. So the greater number among these two numbers, the greater number, it is a positive sign. So for that reason you need to put a positive. As it is a t means it is a 0, 0, 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0, it is a 0 minus 0. So answer is 2. So the next P 1, right, as it is 2 plus t means 1, 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So now 2 plus 1, it is a 3, and 2 into 1, it is a 2 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, it is a 4. P and into 2. So write as it is 2 plus t plus 2t square minus 3 cube. So 2 plus t is a 2 and 2 into 3 square. I mean here there is a 2 square minus 2 cube. So 2 plus 2, it is a 4 plus 2 as it is a 2 square is a 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 cube is 8 plus 8 minus 8 is cancelled. The answer is 4. Third question, in that p equal p x means here there is a 0, x cube 0 cube. So answer is 0. P into 1. So x cube, in that there is a 1 cube equal to 1. So p, so x means 2. Here 2 cube is 8. Next we will move on to the second question, fourth question. P x, here there is called a 0, 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. So open the bracket, minus 1 into plus 1. So answer is minus 1. Now next p into 1. So x minus 1, x plus 1. So x means here there is a 1 minus 1. X means 1 plus 1. So minus plus 1 and minus 1 is a 0 into 1 plus 1, it is a 2. So answer is 0. 0 into 2, 0. So p x means here there is a 2, x minus 1, x plus 1. X means is a, here there is a 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1, it is a 1 into 3. So answer is 3. So now this is the answer. So now next the main question is verify that whether the following are 0 of the polynomial indicated against them. So here we need to check that whether these polynomials are 0 polynomial or not when we putting the x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So p is equal to x means minus 1 by 3. Here 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So 3 cancel. So minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1, it is a 0. Yes. Yes, it is a 0 polynomial. So now coming to the next question, p equal to x is x is plus 4 by 5 equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 5. So 5 cancel, 4 minus 5. So it is not a zero polynomial. Okay, so now this is how we can do that. So now we will move on to the another question number 3. So now p first we need to take x means 1 square minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now then put x is equal to minus 1 in this polynomial. P minus 1 x square minus 1. So now 1 square minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is a plus 1 and minus 1. So the answer is 0. So this is called a 0 of polynomial. So now next we will move on to the question number 4. P into x here we need to take a minus 1 x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 and x means minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 and plus 1 it is 0 and minus 1 plus minus 1 and minus 2 it is a minus 3. So the answer is 0. 0 into minus 3 is 0. So p x means here there is equal to 2 x plus 1 and x minus 2. So x means here 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 2. 3 2 1 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 minus 2 is 0. So now answer is 0. So now the given polynomial is 0. This is called 0 polynomial. Okay. So now next we will move on to the question number 5. So now next we will move on to the question number 5. So p x means 0 square, the answer is 0. So now the given polynomial is 0 of polynomial. So now question number 5, question number 6, p equal to x is a minus m by l. So l into x means minus m by l plus m. So l cancel. Minus m plus m. Minus m plus m is cancel. The answer is 0. So now this is also a 0 of polynomial. So now next question is question number 5, 7. It's a 7. P x means here they given a 2 x values. One is minus 1 by root 3. Another one x is equal to root by 2 by root 3. So minus 1 by root 3. Here 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. So now 3 into minus 1 whole square by root 3 whole square minus 1. So now next here 3 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is a plus 1 divided by root and 2 is cancel 3. 3 cancel and here there is a minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1, it becomes 0. So now another one, here there is called x is equal to 2 by root 3. X is equal to 2 by root 3. P into root 2 by root 3, 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. So now 3 into 2 to the 4, no, 2 square by 3 whole square minus 1. So now 3 into 2 to the 4 and root and 2 is cancelled, 3 minus 1. So 3 and 3 is cancelled, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, here answer is 3. So this polynomial is not a zero of polynomial. Next we will move on to the another question. P x means 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 cancel, 1 plus 1. So 2. The given polynomial is not a zero of polynomial. So now next we will move on to the question number 4. In each of the following cases. So now here polynomial is equal to 0. Polynomial and is equal to 0. So now for this condition x plus 5 and 0. This is called a polynomial and here there is a 0. So x is equal to and shift a plus 5 into a right side. It is a minus 5. So now minus 5 is a 0 of polynomial of this equation. So now next here x minus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to plus 5. This is called a 0 of polynomial. Next 2x plus 5 equal to 0 and here 2x minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So now it is a 0 of polynomial. So now question number 5, here there is a 3x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 by 3. So now 0 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial and ax is equal to 0, x is equal to a. So now x is equal to a is not equal to 0. So now it is a 0 of polynomial. So the last question is cx plus d equal to 0. So Cx is equal to D and x is equal to D by C. D by C is the 0 of polynomial. So this was the end of polynomial chapter number 2, polynomial exercise 2.2. So now thanks for watching. So wait for a next video. Thank you so much.